आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
One question is, if magnitude of A vector is equal to 2 and magnitude of B vector is equal to 3 and A vector dot B vector is equal to 0, then A vector cross A vector cross A vector cross A vector cross B vector is equal to the given diagonal is C vector is equal to 4k cap is equal to 8k cap, then the volume of parallelpiped is. In this question we have to find the value of this given equation. We have to given here the values of here magnitude of A vector is equal to 2, magnitude of B vector is equal to 3. Also we have to given A vector dot B vector is equal to 0. Now we have to find here the value of A vector cross A vector cross A vector cross. Here we have A vector cross B vector. We have to find here the value of this equation. Now for solving this equation we have to know in vector triple product method formula. If we have A vector cross B vector cross C vector, so the formula is equal to A vector dot C vector, here we have dot B vector minus A vector dot B vector dot C vector. This is the vector triple product method in which A vector cross B vector cross C vector is equal to A vector dot C vector dot B vector minus A vector dot B vector dot C vector. Now using this to solving this equation, here we have to get this value A vector cross, here we have to get cross A vector cross. Now applying in this vector triple product method, here we have to get the value is equal to, here we have to get A vector dot B vector dot A vector minus A vector dot A vector dot B vector. Now this is because we have to following here these condition. First this A vector dot product with this C vector, here we have to get A vector dot product with this B product, then dot A vector minus A vector dot A vector dot B vector. Now we have to solve this equation. Here we have to get A vector cross A vector, here we have this cross value. We know that this value is equal to 0 because in the question we have to given here the value of this, here this value is equal to, here we have to get minus magnitude of A vector square dot B vector. Now in the question we have to given here the value of magnitude A vector is equal to 2. Now squaring this we have to getting here magnitude of A vector square is equal to 4. Now putting here the value we get A vector cross A vector cross, we have to putting the value of A vector magnitude square, this value is equal to minus, here this minus 4 dot B vector. Now from here this minus 4 is a constant value, so we can return outside the bracket. Here we get minus 4, here we have A vector cross A vector cross this B vector. Now again we have to use here vector triple product method. We have to get here this minus 4 as it is, here we have to get A vector dot with this B vector dot A vector minus A vector dot A vector dot B vector. Now we have to solve this equation. Here we have to get this minus 4, this A vector dot B vector is equal to 0 because in the question this is given. We have to get here 0 minus A vector dot A vector, we know that this value is equal to magnitude A vector square dot B vector. Now this value is equal to 4, here putting the value here we get this minus 4 as it is, here we have to get minus 4 dot B vector. Now minus 4 into minus 4 we get 16, here we have to get dot B vector. Now we know that here b cap is equal to, here this is unit vector, b vector divided by magnitude of b vector. Now this value is given in the question. Magnitude of b vector is equal to 3. From here we have to get b vector is equal to 3 b cap. Now putting this value here, we have to get 16 into, here we have 3 dot b cap. Now here we have to find 16 3 ja 48 b cap. This is the answer here, 48 b cap. Now checking option here, we get option 1 is the right answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।